Assalamualaikum to Madam Aisyah and all of my fellow friends. For my individual oral presentation, I, Siti Norfarhana binti Abdul Kadir from Medical Radiation Year 2, Class LSP 402 Group 3, would love to share some of my knowledges regarding twins. Do you know what is actually meant by twins? So twin is considered as one of common form of human multiple birth alongside triplets, quadruplets, and others. They are all called as human multiple birth, but the numbers of babies delivered at one time is different, and they can be up to 8 babies at one time. So for today, I would love to focus more on twins where the mother delivered 2 babies at one time, and these twins can be identical or non-identical. So what are the reasons for this to occur? So for multiple birth, 2 form is when one egg splits before implanting, or 2 eggs fertilized by 2 different sperm. Okay, so for identical twins, they are formed when one egg is fertilized and the latter divides into 2 embryos. Identical twins are always the same sex and always have the same genetic identity and look exactly the same. For non-identical twins, they are formed from 2 eggs fertilized by 2 different sperm. So for non-identical twins or fraternal twins might or might not be of the same sex, and also their looks are not resemble each other any more than 2 siblings from the same parents might. So now I want to ask you, do you find having a twins is interesting? What are the factors for you to conceive twins, and is there any chances for you? So there are several factors for you to conceive twins, and they can be without fertility treatments or with fertility treatments. So first, without fertility treatments, one of the factors for you to have twins is age. Women who age higher than 30 years old are more likely to conceive twins. It is because as women ages, the level of FSH hormone rises. Hormone FSH, or follicle stimulating hormone, is responsible for the development of eggs in the ovaries. As women ages, the eggs need more stimulation to grow than in younger women. So, therefore, higher level of FSH is needed. So, it will resulting in 2 or more eggs to release. Other than age, weight is also one of the factors for you to conceive twins. Women who has a BMI over 30 are more likely to conceive twins than women with healthier BMI. It is because extra fat leads to increased level of estrogen. High level of estrogens leads to overstimulation of ovaries. Instead of just releasing just 1 egg at ovulation, it will release 2 or more eggs. Other than age and weight, family history is also one of the factors for you to conceive twins. But a family history of identical twins does not make it more likely for you to conceive twins. If you have fraternal twins in your family, your chances to conceive twins rises. But if both of your parents' side have a family history of fraternal twins, your chances to conceive twins goes up even higher. If these factors are not applicable for you, you can try other fertility treatments such as IVF, IUI, and others. Normally, parents seek for IVF or IUI when they are struggling to have babies. But nowadays, IVF can also be used for the parents to conceive twins. For IVF, if you transfer 2 or more eggs and they both successfully develop an implant, then twins are on the way. Next, I want to talk about is identical twins may look different from each other. They have the same gene and chromosomes, but what makes they differ on how they behave or look are environmental differences such as different lifestyle. It's because some of the twins are exposed to more diverse environment because they need to separate it, and the reasons such as different studying places and others. My conclusion, I hope all of you able to gain extra knowledges regarding twins. Even though there are some people think that by pregnant with multiple pregnancies, the risk for both mothers and the babies will be higher. However, there are also many positive aspects when you successfully delivering and carrying more than just one babies, such as the joyfulness of having the babies will be double or even triple. Okay, so it's important for the mother to focus on the positive sides only. So that's all from me. Thank you.